Good morning, everyone. I'm Amy from Amy's Acrylic Artistry. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so very much for being here today. Have you subscribed yet? I would love if you would join me on my channel. So make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos, as well as the thumbs up. And don't forget to leave me a comment down below. I always love to hear what my viewers think of the pieces that I create. Today I'm doing something different again. I have a wood round. I'm going to do a bloom today, a very large bloom. I don't use a bloom recipe. I just mix my paints, my regular acrylic paints. I leave them a little bit on the thicker side and use my Australian floetrol. Why don't we just start painting and then you can see exactly how I do it. Let's get painting. Okay, so here is my wood round. This is just white paint mixed with 3 parts of my pouring medium. Now I don't gesso my wood rounds, as you can see, because I like that rustic look of the wood grain in behind when the paint dries. But if you like an absolute smooth finish, you can gesso your wood rounds first, let them cure, and then you can paint on top of them. So I'm just layering my paints here. I will have all of the colors listed down below in the description. I really love this color combination. They are very bright, but yet very earthy at the same time. And this bloom turns out absolutely beautifully. I have not done a bloom in a while and was really excited with how this whole piece turned out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell as well as the thumbs up. And I would love if you would leave me a comment down below. And if you feel so inclined, share this video as well. It will help to grow my channel. And finally, some Australian floetrol mixed with my Amsterdam titanium white. So that's 3 parts Australian floetrol to 1 part Amsterdam titanium white. And I always use my little mini blower to do my blooms for some reason. It makes me super dizzy if I do this by mouth. I do get migraines a lot, and I think that might have something to do with it, but I love using my mini blower. It's perfect. And I wanted to show you this in real time so that if you want to give it a try, you can see exactly how I use my mini blower. I try and keep it back from the paint as much as I can and just try to blow the Australian floetrol mix across the top of my colors. And as I continue to do that, you'll see this bloom appear and it starts to really sell up and ends up absolutely gorgeous. And once I'm finished with my mini blower, blowing out the bloom how I like, I always go back in with my straw and just try to activate that cell activator even more just by blowing on it. It gives it a little bit of, it spreads it out a little bit more, and those cells and lacing pop through. And then it's time to spin. And again, I've done this in real time just so you can see how fast I spin. I do tend to spin my blooms a little bit faster than most people. I have paint everywhere, as you can see on my mat, and I always jump back as well because I usually get covered. I sped this up to 4 times because I wanted to recenter that center part, and it took a little bit of extra time, but this is back to